Namaste friends. In last lecture, in your third lecture, I explained you the rich and varied heritage. Now, in this lecture, in fourth lecture, we are going to understand meaning of culture. So, what is exactly culture indicate? Culture, it is saying that culture means the way of life. Okay, means how our life is going on. Three things already I explained you. Not only the way of life, but at the same time, way of worship and way of thinking. Okay, and another thing we can say about culture, it is made of change that occur in public life. Means that all things which influence our life, it is very closely associated to our life. And another thing, culture is total habit, values, customs, traditions, and conduct of lifestyle. Okay, how the people are living, what are their habits, what are their traditions, paramparai we can say, customs, okay, conduct, how you are living your life, how what is your lifestyle, that all things is the part of culture, and all these things amalgam in one place, it create the concept of culture. Is it clear? Next is heritage. So heritage means the valuable gift from of ancestor to us. Okay. So one is the culture and second is the heritage. Heritage means whatever we get from our ancestors, our forefathers, हमारे पूर्वजों से हमको मिली हुई विरासत, that is you can say that is the heritage. Okay, next, heritage we divide into two part. One is the natural heritage and second is the cultural heritage. If we go broad, okay, so in our daily pledge we do this, we use this statement that I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. So heritage means whatever we get from our ancestors, and it is divided into two parts. One is the natural and second is the cultural heritage. So what is exactly natural heritage? What is indicate natural heritage? So natural heritage is that which is not created by human being, but it is where we live, the surrounding of that place, that is the natural heritage. We are living in Halol, Pavagadh is too near from us. Okay, so Pavagadh is considered for as the natural heritage. Whatever the another places like Richiya Mahadev, like Jhand Hanuman, that all things, okay, Jambugoda National Park, that sanctuary, that is also included in natural heritage. Okay, so similarly, the if we are living in India, so it's rivers, it's lake, it's forest, okay, it's mountains, it's landscape, that all are included in natural heritage. Is it clear? So that one you have to keep in your mind. ये सब चीजें आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. अलग अलग varieties के animals, that is also included in natural heritage. Okay. When we talk about the landscape, okay, it is divided into three parts: land, mountain, plateau region. Okay, and again the land, it is divided in the land of the coastal region. Different pilgrims are included in that. If you talk about the Himalaya, okay, from Amarnath to Kamakhya, so many pilgrimage are there. In Uttarakhand, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath, all these are the pilgrimage that are included in our natural heritage. Okay, and it make our nature rich and varied. Similarly, when we talk about the rivers, नदियों की अगर बात करें तो from Sindhu to Kaveri. So many rivers are there, and that all are pavitra, pious for us. Whenever we get bath in the morning, at that time we recall them: Ganga, Sindhu, Saraswati, Yamuna, Godavari, Narmada, Kaveri, Sarayu, Mahendra Tanaya, Charmanvati, Vedika, Kshipra, Vetravati, Mahasuranadi, Khyata, Jaya Gandaki, Purna Jale, Samudra Sahitam, Kuryat, Sada Mangalam, means they may bless on us. That kind of prayer we do. It shows that how much rich heritage we have in the matter of river. Is it clear? Similarly, let's talk about the landscape. अगर लैंडस्केप की अगर हम लोग बात करें तो इन लैंडस्केप so many things. I just now I told Himalaya is there. It is a landscape and it's inspired, motivate us. Okay, if you will get chance, you go there. Forget about the Himalaya. You just go Pavagadh during the rainy season. You will realize how beautiful places are there. So many waterfalls are there. It make your feeling, your thinking happy. It give you one positive boost up, and that all natural heritage make ourselves rich and prosperous. They change our thinking. That is the what's it? Characteristics of natural heritage. Okay. Similarly, next one is the vegetation. Varieties of vegetations are there. Different types of vegetations are there, and we sorry, and that also we consider as a pavitra. Basil, tulsi, Varlo, banyan, people. Okay, all these trees are very pious for us. Okay, we worship them. Not only the religious importance, but at the same time scientific importance also, because that all herbs, all plants, not only the medicinal use, not only vegetative use, but at the same time, okay, they make clean our environment. People is a tree which gives continuously oxygen, okay, and make our surrounding more and more oxygenated. Okay, so all these things that is include in natural heritage. Similarly, our wildlife. It is a beautiful wildlife we have in India. Asiatic lion only we find in Gujarat only. Okay, this is the country where we find tiger and lion together, and elephants and so many other animals are there. Okay, and not only the wild animal, domestic animals are also useful for us. Okay, so like that way, in natural heritage, it include the landscape, rivers, vegetation, and wildlife. Okay, when next lecture I will start, at that time I will definitely talk about the cultural heritage. Okay.